Hello friends, welcome to AQUS IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss something very interesting. I'm going to tell you a very significant development from the perspective of IR. So recently, Joe Biden announced about AUKUS. AUKUS, it is a military alliance. It is a security pact of three countries. Now, which are those three countries? These countries are Australia, US and UK. Okay, so these countries have formed an alliance, and the name of this alliance is AUKUS. So this name AUKUS, this term, it becomes very important from your prelims perspective. There might be a question that the term which has been in the news is associated with which of the following countries, and then there will be four options. So this term, it is very important. Remember, three countries: Australia, US and UK. Now, under this initiative AUKUS, Australia will acquire nuclear powered submarines. Okay, so this initiative will help Australia to deploy nuclear powered submarines in Indo-Pacific region. Okay, now you can understand the reason why this military alliance has been formed. So this has been formed in order to counter China in Indo-Pacific region. Why? Because this grouping, it will strive to equip Australia with nuclear powered submarines, and Australia will be able to deploy these submarines in Indo-Pacific region. Now we already have one grouping, which is Quad. We discussed about Quad. Okay, and this Quad, it aims at ensuring free, open, inclusive Indo-Pacific region. It means it tries to counterattack China, this particular grouping. Now we have one more grouping. Now the question emerges, will this grouping supersede the Quad? Well, the answer is no. It won't supersede Quad. It is a separate grouping. It is different in form, and remember that it will complement the Quad. Okay, so we know that China is trying to assert its influence in Indo-Pacific region, and this grouping, it will try to push back against the China's assertiveness in Indo-Pacific region. So from the prelims perspective, this name becomes important. It might be asked in prelims. And from the mains perspective, you can substantiate your answer by including AUKUS in your answer. Okay, so this can be one of your arguments if something is asked, if a question is asked regarding Indo-Pacific region. So let me just repeat one more time that it is a grouping of Australia, US and UK, and under this initiative, Australia will build nuclear powered submarines in close cooperation with US and UK. So it will be done in Australia. They will build these submarines, and so they will build these submarines in Australia in close cooperation with US and UK, and after that these submarines will be deployed in Indo-Pacific region. This is how these democracies are trying to counterattack China. Just remember this thing. Although none of these countries mentioned about China, but indirectly we are understanding what they are trying to do. Okay, so all these facts I wanted to discuss in today's session. If you have liked this initiative, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye, take care.